Good day, everyone. Welcome back to V2U Research. Today is February 12, 2026, and the S&P ASX200 index has just closed its session. It was a day of interesting moves and fresh records, so let's dive into the details. The index closed higher today, ending the session at 9,043.5. That's a climb of 28.7 points, or about 0.32%. We stayed comfortably above yesterday's close of 9,014.8, which is a great sign for the bulls. Crucially, we recorded a fresh 50-day high today. While we did see some mild intraday correction near short-term resistance levels, the overall trajectory remains impressively upward. It's a significant milestone for February. From a technical perspective, the index remains well supported above a key demand zone near 8,867.4. This level has been tested multiple times this month and continues to act as a solid near-term safety net for the market. On the upside, immediate resistance is placed around 9,111.7. This is the ceiling where prior rallies have encountered some selling pressure. Breaking through this will be the next big challenge for market participants. Our 14-day RSI is currently sitting at 62.28. In simple terms, think of this as the market's speedometer. It's showing moderate bullish momentum. We are moving fast, but we are not quite in the overheated zone yet. So, our current playground is defined between that support at 8,867 and the resistance at 9,111. The near-term tone appears constructive, but we must remain mindful of the evolving global macroeconomic climate. Sector performance was a mixed bag today. Utilities emerged as the undisputed leader, gaining a massive 2.89%. It's clear investors are finding significant value in essential services right now. This gain in utilities reflects a broader trend of capital rotation into stable, yield-generating infrastructure. It provided a strong foundation for the overall index performance today. Financials weren't far behind, rising 2.5%. This was heavily supported by some stellar moves in our major banking stocks, specifically ANZ and the Commonwealth Bank. ANZ Group Holdings was a true standout, surging over 8%. That's an incredible move for a major bank and a clear sign of institutional confidence in the sector. Commonwealth Bank also had a fantastic session, gaining 5.41%. When our big four banks move like this, it creates a powerful tailwind for the entire Australian market. Materials advanced 1%, while consumer staples posted moderate gains. This reflects selective buying in defensive segments as investors look for safety amidst global volatility. In contrast, we saw weakness across information technology, healthcare, and consumer discretionary. Telecommunications and industrials also struggled, reminding us that sector selection is critical. The tech sector faced some pressure today, acting as a slight anchor on the index. It's a reminder that high-growth areas remain sensitive to shifting macroeconomic data. The most dramatic moves were on the downside. Temple and Webster fell a staggering 32%, while AMP Limited lost over a quarter of its value. These are massive drops that require careful risk management. Looking ahead, all eyes are on the US. We are closely monitoring initial jobless claims and existing home sales data. This will give us deeper insight into labour market health and broader economic trends. At V2U Research, our insight engine is already processing these global ripples. We help you cut through the noise to find the signals that actually matter for your portfolio. If you found this ASX wrap useful, please like the video and subscribe for regular updates. We want to hear from you. Share your stock watch list in the comments below. Trade responsibly, manage your risk carefully, and we'll see you in the next market update. Thank you for watching V2U Research.
Disclaimer: the information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Security, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.